Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And today, wanted to share some other thoughts about the car cover for hail protection. This is the car cover that I got, and it's truly amazing. I finally put it on my car. And one of the things that I'm seeing out there is the amount of damage that is happening to people's cars. And in a lot of cases, people can't afford to have it fixed even with insurance, or the time it's going to take to replace the sunroof or the windshield and the other damage to the car. So this can really give you peace of mind if that is something that would be important to you. And I wanted to share in this other part of the video, as I speak to the inventor of the product, he addresses exactly that with insurance and something to really think about. So here you go. I'm also going to put a link in the description as well as in the comment section, which is a form which is your contact information, your car, and best time to reach you, so the inventor of the car cover can reach out to you, answer any questions you have, and give you an idea on pricing. But again, this is the car cover on my car. I've got a Kia Sportage, and some people have said, why would you put it on a Sportage? Well, it just comes down to wanting to protect my car and not having to go through the potential total loss of my car and the time to get it repaired. I dealt with it once, and believe me, this is something that will give me peace of mind. And you could see how thick that is. And at the end of the video as well, you'll be able to see an example of the inventor of the product as he's throwing rocks on it and how impactful that is. So let me know if you have any questions, and I do appreciate your time, and good luck, and hope this might be of help to you. Have a great day.
A lot of times people think, well, I have insurance coverage. I mean, if you've ever gone through that process, like you probably already have, it's a pain in the butt. It's months and months, a lot of times when depending on how large those hailstorms are, that you got to wait for your car, trying to find, vehicles for them to do loaners. And one key thing that they won't tell you a lot of times is when hail does go through your windshield and your electrical gets soaked or it's just destroyed, they'll total your car. It's easier and cheaper for an insurance company to total a vehicle versus just fixing maybe the hood or the aluminum or the sunroofs and things like that. But when you're talking about the electronics that we have nowadays, especially like through Tesla and everything else, most cars now are driving computers. So it would be incredibly insane to try to just go ahead and fix all these electronics versus just totaling the car out.